How to disable Copilot in Microsoft Excel. So if you find Microsoft Copilot popping up over your spreadsheets, taking up space on your toolbar, or constantly giving you unwanted suggestions while you're trying to analyze data, you're definitely not alone. So the good news is that Microsoft gives you a straightforward way to turn off or hide Copilot across Excel. So first let me show you the built-in switch inside Excel to disable Copilot features entirely. So if you're on Windows, click on File, I'm already here on this section, and then go to Options right here, bottom left. In the left sidebar of the Options menu, click on Copilot if you have it. In my case, I don't, because I stripped away Copilot entirely from my system. Then uncheck the box that says Enable Copilot, click OK, and then just restart Excel. If you're using a Mac, you can click Excel in the top menu bar, select Preferences, then Copilot, and uncheck Enable Copilot and also restart. And now, what if you want to keep AI features available in the background, but simply remove that annoying icon from your top toolbar? You can easily hide it by customizing your ribbon. So let me just go and open up any document, and then just right-click on the ribbon right here, and select Customize the ribbon. In the right-hand column, under Main tabs, find Copilot or Home, where the button appears. And uncheck Copilot checkbox or select it and click Remove, and then click OK to instantly clean and clear up your toolbar. And pro tip, if you don't see a dedicated option tab inside Excel options, that usually means your app build relies on Microsoft's Connected Experiences privacy toggle. So go to File, then Account, then under Account Privacy, click Manage Settings here. Then you scroll down to Connected Experiences and untick Turn on experiences that analyze your contents right here. And after that, press OK, and you can just use your Excel now without Copilot. That is it. All there is to it. Enjoy.